Implementing InfoLink and the deployment was pretty easy. It went pretty smoothly and it was a pretty easy transition.
My name is Mark Booth. I am the Vice President of Supply Chain Technology here at Southern Glazer's Wine and Spirits in Lakeland, Florida. The way we deployed the InfoLink software was we had a few meetings with Crown. We went through some PowerPoints looking at all the features the system had. Kind of decide on what features we want to start with today and what features were phase 2 maybe. And the process was very simple. The Crown team came down to our facility in Lakeland and met with all the supervisors. We had some conference room pilots, some training sessions. They were very helpful, the Crown team, in providing all the necessary training requirements that we had. It just felt like their presence made things go a lot easier. We went through the OSHA checklist. What questions should we ask? What questions are not important? Once we figured out those questions, the implementation was very simple. Operator training was a breeze.
Implementing InfoLink and the deployment was pretty easy. We were able to assign 300 employees in over 4 days. So it went pretty smoothly and it was a pretty easy transition.